In front of me is Oppo Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Accessibility and Convenience. Then tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Now, if you are using Tricky's navigation, unfortunately you need to switch it to gestures to use this mode. You can do that by hitting Settings and tapping on Gestures. Then tap on Learn or Cancel in the pop-up, go back and tap on the switcher again. Finally, to access one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom of the screen. To go back, swipe up or click on this dark area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher, and to go back to your navigation, go back again to Settings, then click on System and Update, select System Navigation and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!